Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your Zengo account. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure you are connected to the internet and download the Zengo app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. You need to already have created your account before. Once you create your account, you'll be logged in with it. You'll see this interface after you are logged in. Now, in order to delete your account, you need to go to the settings. Here you can see the settings icon at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it. In the settings page, scroll down to the bottom and here you can see delete account option. You can simply tap on it and it will ask you for the confirmation that if you want to really delete this account. So you can tap on delete and there you go. Your Zengo account will now be deleted. It's a very simple process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.